This is a chapter 11A, part 1, factors, multiples, and primes. In this chapter, you'll learn to revise the difference between the factors and multiples, and using that knowledge, find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. First of all, we need to understand the difference between factors and multiples, and often students tend to mix them up. Factors are your math facts, and multiples is a result of multiplying. So, for example, to find the factors of 20, I have to think in pairs. I know that 1 times 20 makes 20. I know that 2 times 10 makes 20. I know that 4 times 5 makes 20. And really, there's no more. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Multiples is a result of multiplication. So when I say to identify the first 10 multiples of 20, I'm asking you to count by 20s. So the first 10 multiples, 20 times 1 is 20, 20 times 2 is 40, then 60, then 80, and 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, and 200. Those are multiples. At this time, pause and find the factors of 24 and multiples of 20, first 10 multiples of 24. For 24, you should have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Therefore, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The first 10 multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216, and 240. Now, when I ask you to identify the HCF, I'm referring to the highest common factor. And the highest common factor is when you're comparing two numbers and you find the largest factor that goes into both of them. So if we were to do 18 and 27, first I have to identify the factors of 18 and 27. So at this time, pause and identify the factors of 18 and 27. So if you did this, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. For 27, you have 1, 3, 9, and 27. So if we look at their factors, because it's factors, which is the highest common, the highest meaning the greatest common factor? Well, there's 1, there's a 3, and there's a 9. The highest common factor is 9. So the HCF of 18 and 27 equals 9. And that's how you'd write out your answer. So again, pause and do B. Okay, so first find the factors of 12 and 32. For 12, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. For 32, you have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Now find the highest common factor. Not 1, not 2, maybe 4, and that is it. So the highest common factor of 12 and 32 is 4. Now we're working with the lowest common multiple. multiple. Remember, we're skip counting. So find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. And this is what you would do. Write out multiples of 4 and 5 until you see a match. So I might start off with 3 of them for 4. So 4, 8, 12, then 5 I would go 5, 10, 15. Okay, no match yet. Then 16, 20, maybe. And then 20, there we go. So I can stop. They have a match. So in this case, the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. So pause and find B. Okay, so here we go, 8 and 12. I'm going to start with 12 because chances are if I work with the larger number, it's going to be easier to find a common multiple because, well, with 12, it's a larger number, so I increase faster. So 12, 24, there we go, stop, right there. I know that 8 goes into 24. And if I prove it, 8, 16, 24, there you go. So the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. That's it.